Hey guys, we've got some freezing rain. We've got a tree down, blocking the road. Got the kinetic rope hooked up to the Cayenne. We're gonna see if we can pull this out of the way so we can allow people through and so that I can get home because my power's out and I don't know if my house is flooding. Okay, we got her moved a little bit, as you guys saw there. Broke a limb off. I'm gonna hook back up to another spot on the tree here and try to get a little bit farther. I got to probably on a hook here. See if I can put the rope in the middle. Drive forwards a bit. See if we can reset. Just heard a tree fall, I think, so. Looking on top, looking up, to make sure no trees around here are gonna fall on the car. Okay guys, we're gonna hook this up somewhere in here. Wow, look at the ice on this tree. That's wild. Okay, so I hooked up a little bit higher on the tree. I'm gonna try to swing over that way so I can bring this tree around so we can make a lane. All right, let's try swinging. So we broke the limb off. I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing. Get my rope back and see if I can do the same thing to that branch so we can at least get a lane here until somebody can get here and fix this up properly. I don't have my silky saw with me. Otherwise I'd be able to do it myself, but I was unprepared. So, I'm gonna bring this forward again and do one more hookup. See if I can break the top of the other part of the tree off. That wrapped around there. Okay, it's raining, it's cold. Yeah, Declan, that's right. You gotta smash it off. Okay, got it hooked up, hopefully for the last time here. Looks like there's a car turning around, so hopefully we can prevent that. We're gonna try doing this. Branch. We're getting there. We've almost got full progress here.
Pass it down. And let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121,
Okay guys, we got that done. I'm sure you saw that in the video. Now people can get through. I'm gonna drive past right now. We got a lane for everybody to go around. Might actually be better. We got a lane anyways. That's it. Another good deed of the day.